What's up guys, welcome back to a video today. Today we'll taste test some water. So yeah, that's what water looks like, just clear stuff. So 0 to 10 because water would probably don't taste of nothing, so yeah, give it a taste test because it's healthy and good for you on a daily basis. 10 out of 10. Cold, refreshing, delicious and healthy for your body on a hot summer days like this. Water is the best thing for you, I would say. So yeah, hope you like my videos of doing taste test reviews, including water, other stuff. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time for another video. Bye.